Hey there, my friend. Welcome to Conquer Your Fears. You know, we all experience fear. It's a natural human emotion, a primal instinct wired into our very being. But here's the thing, fear doesn't have to control your life. You have the power within you to break free from its grip and unleash the incredible potential that lies dormant within. Today, we're going to embark on a journey together, a journey to conquer those fears and step into a life of greater fulfillment, joy, and unshakable confidence. Are you ready to unleash the power within? Let's dive in.
Let's get real for a moment. Fear, at its core, is an illusion. It's a fabrication of the mind, a story we tell ourselves based on past experiences, limiting beliefs, and often irrational anxieties about the future. It's like a shadow, looming large and menacing until you dare to step into the light and expose it for what it truly is. The first step to conquering any fear is to understand it. What are the root causes of your fears? Are they based on real, tangible threats, or are they simply echoes of past hurts and insecurities? By identifying the source of your fears, you can begin to dismantle the hold they have over you. Remember, fear thrives in the darkness of uncertainty. It festers in the shadows of limiting beliefs and negative self-talk. But here's the empowering truth. You have the power to shine a light on those fears, to drag them kicking and screaming into the bright light of awareness. And once you do, you'll realize that they're not as scary or insurmountable as you once thought. Think of it like this. Fear is like a bully in the schoolyard of your mind. It tries to intimidate you, to keep you small and playing it safe. But deep down, you know you're stronger than that bully. You have the courage, the resilience, and the inner strength to stand up to it and say, enough is enough. Let me share a secret with you. Courage is not the absence of fear. No, my friend, true courage is feeling the fear, acknowledging its presence, and then taking action anyway. It's about staring that fear in the face and saying, you don't control me. I choose to move forward with confidence and determination. Take a moment now to reflect on the fears that have been holding you back. What are the limiting beliefs and negative thoughts that fuel those fears? Write them down, get them out of your head and onto paper. This simple act of acknowledging your fears is the first step towards breaking their grip on your life. Remember, you are not your fears. You are a powerful, capable individual with the ability to overcome any obstacle that stands in your way. Believe in yourself, my friend, and you'll be amazed at what you can achieve.
All right, let's talk about action, about stepping into the arena of courage and confronting your fears head-on. You see, knowledge without action is like a car without an engine. It'll get you nowhere. It's time to turn your understanding of fear into fuel for transformation, to shift from a state of paralysis to one of empowered action. Remember that feeling in your gut when you're about to do something that scares you? Your heart races, your palms sweat, and your mind screams at you to run for the hills. That, my friend, is not a sign to retreat. It's your body's way of saying, get ready, something amazing is about to happen. Here's the key. Don't resist that feeling. Embrace it. Lean into it. Because on the other side of fear lies your greatest growth, your most profound breakthroughs, and a level of fulfillment you never thought possible. But how do you actually face your fears? It's not about some magical incantation or overnight transformation. It's about taking small, consistent steps outside of your comfort zone. Think of it like building a muscle. You wouldn't expect to bench press twice your body weight on the first day at the gym, right? Start by setting small, achievable goals that challenge you without overwhelming you. Break down larger fears into smaller, more manageable steps. And celebrate each victory along the way, no matter how small it may seem. Let me give you an example. Let's say you have a fear of public speaking. Instead of signing up for a TED Talk as your first step, start by sharing your ideas in a smaller, more intimate setting. Maybe it's a team meeting at work, a presentation to a small group of friends, or even just practicing your speech in front of a mirror. The key is to gradually expose yourself to your fear in a controlled and supportive environment. As you experience small wins, your confidence will soar, and you'll be amazed at how quickly you can move past those initial feelings of fear and self-doubt. Remember, courage is not the absence of fear, but the willingness to act in spite of it. So take that first step, my friend. Embrace the challenge, and watch as you transform your fears into fuel for extraordinary growth and achievement.
Chapter 3. Building Confidence. unleashing your inner superhero. Let's talk about confidence, that unshakable belief in yourself and your ability to conquer any challenge that comes your way. You see, confidence is not something you're born with. It's not a magical gift bestowed upon a select few. Confidence is a skill, a muscle that you can develop and strengthen over time through consistent effort and a relentless pursuit of growth. Think about it like this. Confidence is the byproduct of repeated success. It's the accumulation of small wins, of challenges overcome, and of setbacks reframed as opportunities for learning and growth. Every time you step outside of your comfort zone, every time you face a fear head-on and emerge victorious, you add another brick to the foundation of your unshakable self-belief. So how do you build that confidence? It starts with mastering your thoughts. Your mind is a powerful tool, capable of either propelling you towards your dreams or holding you captive in a prison of self-doubt. Replace negative self-talk with empowering affirmations. Challenge limiting beliefs with evidence of your past successes. Surround yourself with positive influences, people who believe in you and your ability to achieve great things. Remember, the stories you tell yourself matter. If you constantly dwell on your failures, your shortcomings, and your fears, you'll only reinforce those negative patterns in your mind. But if you choose to focus on your strengths, your accomplishments, and your potential, you'll create a self-fulfilling prophecy of success. Another powerful way to build confidence is through visualization. Close your eyes and vividly imagine yourself conquering your fears, achieving your goals, and living the life of your dreams. Feel the rush of excitement, the surge of pride, and the unwavering belief in your ability to make it happen. Visualization is not some new age woo-woo stuff. It's a technique used by top athletes, performers, and entrepreneurs to program their minds for success. By repeatedly visualizing yourself achieving your desired outcomes, you're essentially creating neural pathways in your brain that make success feel familiar and inevitable. Remember, confidence is contagious. When you believe in yourself, others are more likely to believe in you too. So stand tall, speak with conviction, and let your inner light shine through. The world is waiting to be inspired by your unique gifts and talents.
Chapter 4. Maintaining Progress, the Journey of a Lifetime. Congratulations, my friend. You've embarked on this incredible journey of conquering your fears, of stepping into your power and embracing the full potential that lies within. But here's the thing about growth and transformation. It's not a destination, it's a lifelong journey. Think of it like climbing a mountain. You've already scaled some pretty impressive peaks, pushing past your limits and proving to yourself just how strong and capable you truly are. But the journey doesn't end at the summit. There will be new mountains to climb, new challenges to overcome, and moments when those old fears try to creep back in. And that's okay. Because now you have the tools, the mindset, and the unwavering belief in yourself to navigate those challenges with grace, resilience, and an unshakable spirit. Remember, setbacks are not failures. They're simply opportunities to learn, adjust your course, and come back stronger than ever before. Embrace the journey, my friend, with all its twists and turns, its highs and lows. Because it's in those moments of challenge that you'll discover your true strength, your unwavering determination, and the boundless capacity for growth that resides within you. Here are a few key principles to remember as you continue on this journey of conquering your fears and living a life of purpose, passion, and fulfillment. 1. Cultivate a growth mindset. Embrace challenges as opportunities for learning and growth. Believe that you can always improve, evolve, and expand your capacity for greatness. 2. Practice gratitude. Take time each day to appreciate the good in your life. Gratitude is a powerful antidote to fear, shifting your focus from scarcity to abundance and reminding you of all the amazing things you already have. 3. Surround yourself with support. Connect with positive, supportive people who believe in you and your dreams. Share your fears, your challenges, and your victories with those who uplift and inspire you. 4. Celebrate your wins. Acknowledge and celebrate your accomplishments, no matter how small they may seem. Each step forward, each fear conquered, is a testament to your strength and resilience. 5. Never stop learning. Commit to lifelong learning and personal growth. Read books, attend seminars, listen to podcasts, and seek out mentors who can guide you on your journey. Remember, this is your life, my friend. Your journey. your story to write. Don't let fear dictate the narrative. Step into your power, embrace the unknown, and live a life that is truly extraordinary.
Thank you for joining me on this incredible journey of conquering our fears. Remember, you are braver than you think, stronger than you seem, and capable of achieving anything you set your mind to. Now go out there and make your mark on the world. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell for more videos on unleashing your full potential.